All right, so we're going to learn today how to do properties of operations and the relationship between addition and subtraction using a number line. So you're going to use the number line to apply addition and subtraction sentences and find the total sum or difference. Let's go over the vocabulary first. The first word I want to talk to you about is number lines. So a number line looks like this. I'm going to come up here to the board, and I'm going to go this way. A number line will have tick marks. And it will show you a number that's progressing up by 1. Do you guys all see that? Okay. So we have a dry erase marker, a whiteboard, and we're moving forward. On your paper, you will see number lines. We are going to learn how to add to 10. So our number lines need to keep going past 8, all the way up to 20. So we're going to go over some vocabulary really quickly. We're going to go over add. What does it mean to add? Does anybody know? Yes. Oh, I need it. Voice is off. Tilly, what does it mean to add?
So, it means to, add something to, it means to, so we have a lower number and then we have a bigger number.
Right.
Say we put them together, it would make a big number. So that's basically add.
That's exactly it. So the vocabulary word we know of add, and you guys are not doing your work ahead of schedule, yes?
No.
Okay. The number is when we put together. So if that's what add means, what does subtract mean? What are we talking about when we need to subtract, Leland?
You're taking your so if you have a big number and you have a little number, then the little number you take away from the bigger number to make the littler number bigger.
Oh, you're so great. Now let me ask you something. We have been learning about the difference between the word difference and total or sum. What is the difference between those words? What does difference mean? Titus?
So, if you had 10
Right.
and 13,
Yes.
then you would count, 11, 12, 13.
Right.
That's 3 less, and that's what a difference is.
That's right. So what our friend Titus is saying is that if we have a bigger number and we have another number, what is the difference in value, not counting the smaller number, but counting the next one up to the bigger number? What is the difference between them? If I asked you to tell me what the difference was between apples and oranges, you could tell me, right? Really quick, just really quick. Tell me something in 2 seconds. Don't raise your hands. What's the difference between apples and oranges? Just name one thing.
Crunchy.
Okay?
Country, orange,
Okay. So you can tell me, right, thank you, Titus. I'm sorry for interrupting. So you can tell me the difference between apples and oranges. You know the difference. Same thing with numbers. What is the difference? What's the value of this number and the difference to the value of this number? How do I get there? Okay, what is the idea of sum or total? Is Titus my only letter? Wait, today? Thank you, Charlotte. Charlotte, please tell me the difference. Tell me the definition of the word sum or total. What is that?
Total means you have two numbers, you add them together, and then it becomes the total number.
Right, so are you saying the total is an answer that you get when you add? And are you saying, Titus, that the difference is the answer you get when you subtract? Awesome, okay. So the next thing I want to talk to you about, like I said, we have number line, and we're making one up to 20. So we have more vocabulary. We're going to go over it as we go because I think it's more relative to teach you as we go. So let's get started. We have a sheet in front of us, and the first one that should not be filled in is what, Lindsay? What are the two things we're going to look at? What are the two factors here? 10 plus 7. And she said plus, so that gives us a hint we're going to do what? And?
Add.
We're going to add. She said plus, the plus sign means addition. So the way you use a number line is this. Are we ready? We go to the biggest number. What's our biggest number? Lily.
20.
Nope. The biggest number on the first problem you see on your buddy page. 10. So we're gonna mark the 10. Does that mean we count the 10? No, we don't count the 10. What are we going to do with the other number, Tilly?
So we say 10, but we don't count it.
Good.
And then we go 11.
So I'm gonna hop with you. 12, 13,
14, 15, 16, 17.
and this is where I stop. Now, so do you see that as she counted, she didn't count number 10, she just said it, and she started counting up to her second number. I was hopping on the number line. Does that make sense? And we know that because we can count the hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many hops would it be if I was subtracting from 10 to 7, or if I was subtracting, I'm sorry, if I was adding 10 to 7, I apologize. Leland.
10 plus 7?
Yeah, what did we end up at?
17.
17, so our sum or total, right? I'm gonna write this here, we're gonna write sum or total is 17. And that's how you use a number line to add. You can use your number line to add anything as long as the number line is big enough. And a number line can go on forever. At your age, we're going on just positively. We're not going to negative numbers yet, but eventually you'll learn it goes both ways. All right, so let's look at the second one. Who knows the second? All right, Charlotte, the second problem. What are we gonna look at? Let me erase my hops.
10 plus 9.
10 plus 9. All right, so we're going to add or subtract, Charlotte.
We're gonna add.
We're going to add. We're going to use our number line. And what do I do with the number 10?
So you jump from 11 to 12 to 13.
Wait. What do I do with the number 10? Because 10 is part of our problem. What do we do with it on our number line?
You mark it.
Let's see, we should not be coloring.
You mark it.
You mark it. Okay, so let's mark it right here. Okay, now follow me.
You don't count it, so you go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
And we stop at our bigger number. What is 10 plus 9? Charlotte, finish it out. 19. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna show your hops from the number you start with to the number you're adding, right, with the number you're adding, and show where you're stopping at, and then fill in your number. So Lindsay, can you start here and make your hops to stop at the number you're supposed to? Go ahead and finish out the rest of your paper. Is there anyone who's confused on how to use the number line? Titus.
Oh, I just wanted to say actually though, so like, if you're adding like, so 9 times, or plus 10.
Right.
You could like say you were using the 9, taking the 0, putting the 9 in there, and that would equal 19.
Right, but I want you to do
Yeah.
what I'm teaching you.
Yeah.
I want you to show the hops and put the answers in it. Thank you.
Yeah, I knew you would say that.
I know, you can catch on to math pretty quick, buddy. All right, thank you so much. So keep going. Go walk around and check each of you. If there's anyone who's confused, let me know. That's how you do it, yes.
On this one,
Yeah,
can you mark it?
yes. So start where you're marking, good, and that's one hop, good. Good job.
Should we fill the back in too? Or wait?
We'll go into the back in just a minute. Then we're gonna work on place value.
I think the back is actually first.
No, it isn't, don't worry. I'll get right with you as soon as we wanna wait for the rest of our friends to catch up. If you are done early, you may pull out a book to read quietly. And so we want everyone starting on the back page together. Thank you so much.